How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're just going to be doing a small demo using the Ancel S3000 smoke detector machine here. So we have it hooked up to our power supply on a battery. That's all you need. You don't need any compressed air of any sort. So now we're going to turn it on. We have our oil in here that we put in. All right, so we're going to hit our second button here, and here we go. We have some smoke action coming on here. So we've unplugged it here, and we close the CVS valve with our scan tool to make sure nothing escapes the system. So we're going to be testing everything from the purge valve all the way to the filler neck at the back of the car. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes here to make sure the whole system is filled up with smoke. So this indicates that there is a leak going on over here. Now we had a code for a small evap leak, which kind of indicates what we're seeing here. So our suspicion was the filler gas capless system that we have on these vehicles. And if we come back here, it's hard to capture, but with certain lighting, so this is just an external door. This doesn't do anything. This has an internal door, and that one in there is the one that's supposed to hold the pressure. And with certain lighting, we can see that there is some smoke coming out of the system here, so indicating our issue. And it's very hard to see, but again, this is something that we use all the time, and I'm going to be putting this machine to use for this specific reason, other applications as well, but this is what I'm going to be using for 9 out of 10 times at this point. So this is our issue here. We're going to go ahead and replace this capless system at this time. A very common failure point. People are just too aggressive with these and end up damaging them. So once again, we are using the Ancel S3000 model here, and we do have an indication of a leak here because of the way that ball is. If we remove it and create a bigger leak, it jumps up. If we block this off, it starts to come down. So hopefully this is something that you can find a use for in your shop. Again, very underrated tool. It's something that every automotive technician should have in their toolbox.